Hi, I got this very aesthetic lutuan. Let's open. I got this for only 500 plus. Sale. The original price is I think 1,600. And as you can see, very aesthetic ang color. This is all in one. This is micro pressure cooker, so pwede kang magpaluto dito ng karne. Pwede ka din dito magsaing or magluto ng ulam. Madali lang siyang gamitin. As you can see, this is electric cooker. Handy din siyang gamitin, so pwede nyo itong dalhin sa outing or anywhere. And also, this is a non-stick, so pag nag-fry kayo ng fish or anything, hindi na siya didikit. And as you can see, very aesthetic ang datingan. Get yours mga sisi habang on sale pa sila. The original price is 1,600. I got this for only 500 plus. Check the yellow basket.